Don't put your all egg in one basket. Don't put your all money in one business. Don't just depend on only one income in your business. As an entrepreneur or as a business owner, you have to think and understand then how you are going to create the multiple streams of income from multiple streams of businesses, and it is going to help you to stabilize your business more. It is going to help you to create more profitable business as a whole. It is going to help you to create more value in your business as a whole. If you do not have the right strategic for your right product or services, you are not going to create more scalable business. The time or the era has gone. You will just depend or put it, your all money in one business for a longer period of time at the same business, probably for 20 year, 30 year, 40 year, and create more profitability. That era has gone, that time has gone. How the competitions are moving and creating more opportunity for the new entrepreneur, that you have to understand first. The technological environment, the disruptive technology, the market requirement, business requirement, customer demand, customer need, customer choice, geographical changes, political behavior, political stability. As an entrepreneur or as a business owner, you have to see all these factors before you are going to consider yourself into the profitable business, before you are going to consider yourself to bring more profitable business. You have to see all those scenarios. I want to break down through this video the six step that is going to help you that how you are going to create the multiple business opportunity. But before that, I want to just put it here that you have to follow one golden rule, and that is the focus for one. Once you are focusing for one, bringing more productivity in one, bringing more values in one, bringing more stability in one, bringing more profitability in one, and then you are going to think about the second. When you do not have the one business as a profitable business, as a stable business, you please do not think for the second. Because if the first is not success, how you are going to decide to yourself for the second? And if you are thinking for the second, you just start on the first business and go for the second. And in the second, again you just find out then how you are going to create the profitable business, how you are going to create the stable business, how you are going to more values in your business, and that is going to add some values. That is going to help you. So I want to bring the sixth step, that is particularly the sixth aim, which can help you to bring more effective the business value, which can bring the more consistency in your business performance, which can help you to bring more profitability and overall growth as a whole. The model, which is called the business model. What is your right pricing strategy? What is your the business model which the customer with the right price for the right product or services you have identified for? So, as the definitions of success in the business, you must, as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, define the model first. How you have the business model, how you have defined your right price strategic for the right product or services for the right customer. Who are the demanded customer for you? Who need your product or services? And how you are going to create those product and services for those customers. So the right customer for the right product or services and the right price. These integrations you have to find. When you have the integration, then you will go for the second step, that is for the marketing strategic. That is the right marketing strategy. When you have the integrations with the customer for the right product or services for the right prices, then you will help through the marketing strategy to approach to the customer, and you have to convince to your customer that how this product or services can help you to bring more effectiveness in your business, in your life, and how the price we have created, that price might be less as per the competitive market, and that can help you through the qualitative product, that the quality of the product is so sound, so good. So right marketing strategy can help you to bring more productivity in your business. With this, the management system, how you have the right management system, because as I told that the right marketing strategy is good, But when you do not have the right management system, so when you have the weak perception in the management system and when you have the strong perception in the management system, it creates a big difference. When you have the weak perception in the management system, you cannot able to grow your business the way you want it to be. So please understand the weak perception or the strong perception. When you have the strong perception, your business model might be weak, your right marketing strategy might be weak. When you have the strong perception in your management system, your business model or the marketing strategy can be increased and effective more. But when you have the wrong perception, weak perception, might be you have a right and correct business model, you will not able to sell the way you want it to be, you will not able to grow the way you want it to be because you do not have the strong management system. So make sure that when you have the team, you find out within the management team there is a strong people in terms of the thinking power, thinking process, and they can be able to bring more stable in the business. That is going to help your business more. With this, the pricing, the right pricing strategy is one of the more profitable indicator of your business. When you have an overprice, your customer will not entertain your product. When you have a right or underprice, your customer will doubt on your quality of the product. So what is important here is then how you are creating the right pricing strategy. The right price is going to help you to create more determinable factor for your product or services. And if you have the right price for the right product or services, you can bring more business with the help of right marketing strategic and right management system. So when you have the model that is called the business model, a right marketing strategic, right management system, and right pricing strategy, if you have these four, that means you have just capsulate yourself and your business in order to increase more values. You are capsulating your all this area through these four elementary parts. When you have these four, then the fifth point, the fifth step is the momentum. How you are using the right pricing strategic, right management system, right marketing strategic, and right business model. The momentum will automatically come when you have this all combining, and when these all are working simultaneously. Your momentum will always come, and you feel observe that your business is going to increase the values, your business is going to increase the productivity, your business is going to increase the profitable as a whole, because you have a momentum. You know that right marketing strategy you are using, you know that right business models in the workable stage, you know that the right management system are pushing more in order to increase the business value, you know that your pricing is good as per the competitor, as per the market. So when you have the momentum, you would be able to create more value, more profitable business. With this, the move to the next one should talk about the multiple streams of income from the multiple streams of businesses. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, when you have the right business model, the right marketing strategy, right management system, right pricing, and momentum, then you automatically move to the next one, because when you have these five, you will definitely and very much sure that you are going to create the profitable business. There is no any probabilities in a business that you are going to lose until or unless any a specific outcomes are, until or unless there are specific reasons are. But when you have these five, you will not be worried more about your product or your services, because you are going to create the more profitable business, you are going to create more stable business. And once you have the stable business, after focusing on one, then you will start to create the another business opportunity for you, so that once you are giving your profit to the another business, your another business will also find out some investment, and from your profitable business you just invest into the another, and then another you have to focus the same thing, the right marketing strategy, the right product, right business value, right management system, right pricing. These are going to be happen, and then you can also go for the next three, next four. This is depend upon that how you are creating the right marketing strategy, right business model, right management system, right pricing and momentum. So make sure when you are and when you're willing to create more stable business, more business opportunity, you have to keep this six step, and that is going to help you to bring more business as a whole. Business expansion is good, but make sure that you have focus on one first, and then you are going to expand your business for the second, because the market is very competitive. The technological environment is going to change everything. If you are not stable in one business, you make sure then you are not going to be stable in other business as well. You make sure that you are not going to, because your first business focusing on one is very and prime important, and that is going to help you much more. With this, I'll just ask to you all, the entrepreneur, the business owner, the focusing on one and create more business opportunity, business value, and then go to the second, which can also help you to create the third, fourth. That is how it is. This is something signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.